Hello friends, welcome to Drona's Family Fun. And in this quarantine, I mean to say now the circuit breaker which is going on in Singapore currently, I will take you for a tour inside my condo. So here are two kind of housing available. One is which is provided by the government, that is called HDB. All are very luxurious, but still the condos are better. That means they have a swimming pool, play area and everything inside the estate itself. So I will take you to a short tour. Let's see how it goes. So before going, we have to put mask. Chandra is also wearing her mask. Now we will go. So as you can see, we are in the lift. I will take you to M level, mezzanine level. Let's go. So this is how it looks. We are in the mezzanine level. You see cars are going on the lower level. This area used to be the play area for the kids. Just a small playground here. These are the buildings in which we stay. Here are 1, 2 and 3, and this side also there are 3 buildings. So we stay in this one on the 10th floor. The lights are already on. The plants are into a little bit of mess because there is no maintenance these days. This is our play area which is blocked right now, and these are the swimming pools. This one is for smaller kids and that one is the big one, but every facility is closed out here. We have a vending machine there, and that is our clubhouse. We hold small parties over there, but as you can see, everything is closed currently. That one there is another building which I like. This one because it looks like a boat. The structure is like that. If you see the roof of that building there, it looks like a boat. Thankfully our condo has a bigger space inside. We don't have to go out because it was restricted for some days, so we had the opportunity to roam around inside our condo itself. Even people, they put plants, they plant trees inside the condos. You can see there is a guava plant out there and many other things. It's really a nice place. Now you can see our building. It's really huge and nice. It's going to rain. So if you like our videos by now, please comment to our videos, request for more videos, more kind of videos which you are liking, and we will keep posting for you. Here is Chandra. She's bored, but she wanted to come out. She cannot play. Everything is closed. This area actually looks so lifeless, guys. Actually, this used to be our fun area. Every evening this place used to be filled with people. They have removed the chairs and the sunbathing chairs, everything they have removed from here, and they have put all these, you see, lines that people should not cross these lines and use these facilities. All facilities are closed. We have lawn tennis court, then table tennis court upstairs. All are closed by now. So now we have been given the permission to walk inside our condo. Only that we can do for exercising and all. So that is why we are here to take a small stroll out here. And this one is our yoga place, which is again closed. So even the seats, chairs, everything they have closed like this. Thankfully we have so much of green inside our condo. Otherwise it would have been difficult for us, So we are taking you down. Now this part we have many more places to go, but people are walking right now. So this is our main gate area. From that part we go outside. You can see the car going out. So that out there is a shopping mall. The cars are going inside the mall, and this one is another complex, and these are inside our complex. So it's a big area, you can see. All those are inside our condo. I live in that one. There are 6 units altogether, and here the outer ones. It's nice actually. Just giving you a 360-degree view. Anyone you can take. See, nicely maintained garden. That building I was talking about, see, the roof looks like a boat, like a ship. The the whole building is made of glass. I really like it. It's so airy and light is always present inside their room. So that's nice. See, the weather in Singapore is very volatile. In 2 minutes you'll see that it's shiny weather, and in another couple of minutes you'll see it's going to rain heavily. So when we came out of our house it was perfectly normal, but now it is cloudy. I hope it will rain. That was Chandray signing off. So bye, see you again. This was our condo. If you like, please subscribe to our videos and we will keep posting you. Bye bye.